Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your digital life. Every phone, app, and online account you use is connected to the internet, and that connection creates both convenience and risk. This course explains how to stay safe online. Cybersecurity protects three things: your data, your identity, and your access. Data includes personal and financial information. Identity is who you are online. Access is who can enter your accounts and devices. Most cyber attacks target everyday people. Common threats include phishing, scams, malware, and fake websites. Many attacks succeed not through hacking, but through deception. Phishing happens when attackers trick you into sharing sensitive information through messages or websites that look real. One wrong click can expose passwords or banking details. Weak passwords are a major security risk. Strong passwords are long, unique, and not reused. Two-factor authentication adds extra protection by requiring a second confirmation. Keeping your phone and computer updated is critical. Updates fix security weaknesses. Installing apps from unknown sources increases risk, especially when apps request unnecessary permissions. Public Wi-Fi networks can be unsafe. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts on open networks unless you are using a secure connection. Cybersecurity is about habits. Checking links, backing up data, logging out of shared devices, and staying alert reduce most risks. Cybersecurity is a life skill. This course helps you stay informed, reduce risk, and stay in control in a digital world.